Hello and welcome back, everyone, to Educational Wednesday. Today, we're going to talk about tracking YouTube videos using Google Tag Manager. As you know, I'm Ron Sherbert. I'm with Higher Education, and we help colleges, universities, and private high schools increase their enrollments and reduce their marketing costs. And we work with platforms like Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Looker Studio, and other platforms. So, like always, we ask you to think about one step as you're going to build your measurement muscle and how you're going to become a better measurement marketer. And today we're going to teach the one step about how to record YouTube videos using GTM. So we always start with our framework. And as always, I thank Chris Mercer from measurementmarketing.io for teaching us the framework. And we all start off here, marketing the blind. And we all want to end up here where we can predictably increase our enrollments and reduce our costs by knowing what we're going to do when we see the results of our measurement. So there are 3 steps to this framework. They are plan, build, and launch. And the plan is what we call KIA: questions, information, and action. Questions is the questions we want to get answered. Information is what we need to, the data we need to collect to answer those questions. And the action is what action we'll take once we have the answers to those questions. Then we build it. We build the results. We get our traffic, the who, the what, and the why. Who's sending us traffic? What type of traffic are they sending us? And why are they sending us that traffic? And then with those two, we have a story. And then we get into the launch where we start to listen to the people's conversation with our website. And here we're looking for trends and patterns. The truth is in the trend and the power is in the pattern. And then forecast, we're always measuring against our forecast. We thought something was going to happen. Did it happen? And if it didn't happen, why didn't it happen? And then we're on to optimize, where everybody wants to be. And optimization is really just meeting people's expectation and giving them what they're expecting. So now let's jump into it. So here we are in our GA4 property, my teaching, and we're just going to click over here, and we have the enhanced measurements right here. And this is what GA4 collects automatically, and video is one of them. So we're going to shut off that video right now because we're going to put it in GTM and we're going to save it. And what you want to do, maybe the first thing is Google search for enhanced measurement, or you can type in MHE.tips/GA4, and it will automatically bring you to this page, and it has all the GA4 enhanced measurements that are collected automatically. The page views, the scrolls, the outbound clicks, the search, and the video engagement. And we're going to stay right here because we're going to be doing the video engagement today. And the tags that they have is video start, video progress, and video complete. And the things that you can have is the current time, the duration, the percent, and the title of the video. And you could also do visible Boolean, but we're going to leave that out today. Okay. So we're going to jump over to Google Tag Manager. And the first thing we're going to have to do is set up a tag. So we'll click on the tag here. We're going to hit new. And we're going to come over here and we are going to pick our Google Analytics. And we're going to say this is a GA4 event. We're going to click on that. We need to put our measurement ID in. And what we normally do is we make a constant variable. And here it is. So this green check mark will tell you that you're all set. And we're going to call this, let's come back to our enhanced. We're going to call this video start. So let's come over here, and this is video start, and I'll copy that. Come up here. GA4 video start, that's our naming convention. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to put some parameters here that is telling us we get. And we're going to probably add 4 of them. And coming back to this page, here they are, okay? So we will put video current time. We'll put video duration. And I like to copy and paste that way I know I'm getting them correctly. We'll get video percent. And we will get video provider. Actually, we're going to skip that one. We'll just do video title. And we'll add one more for the video URL. Okay, so now we have all those. Now, what we're going to want to do is go through our variables and see what we got. And what you should have done is make sure you turned on all your variables. Let me just save this tag for a minute, or I can show you. We'll save the tag without a trigger. And over here in your variables, as you can see, I have all mine chalked up. But if you didn't, you would just click on this configure and you would just click the ones that you want and they all show up automatically. So now we'll go back to our tag and we're going to do the video start. Okay, and we'll open up the edit. And over here, let's do down here, video. Okay, this is video current time. So we'll click on that. Okay, and you can click on that too and just do it that way. This one is video duration. So we'll click on that one. Then it's going to be video percent. Okay, video title. And video URL. We left out the video provider, but we could add that if we wanted to. Okay, and now we need to add a trigger. We're just going to click on this and we'll click on this plus sign right here. And now for the trigger, we're going to come down to YouTube video. And all we have to do is click on that. Okay, and it tells you what you want right here. Okay, we're going to say just on start. And we're going to say all videos. And we're going to name this YT for YouTube. And we're going to call this start. Okay, and we're going to save it. So now we'll save the tag and we'll open up our preview to see if we got our video start. We'll come here to our demo site and we will scroll down to how about this video? And as you can see, that's a YouTube video. Let's go to our tag assistant. We haven't seen anything go yet. No tags are fired on the video because we haven't started it yet. So I expect that when we start it right here, we will see the tag say video start. So we're expecting to see our tag fire and we come over here and we don't see it fire. Why is that? I got a good idea. So we're going to get out of here. Okay, so we're jumping back into our tag manager here. And one of the reasons why sometimes you won't see it in your tag assistant or into your analytics debug is because we're going to come to this video again and we're going to go to the trigger. And we're going to open it up and we're going to click it here. And for some reason, sometimes you need this box checked and sometimes you don't. And I believe we're going to need it this time. So we're going to click on it. We're going to save it. And we're going to hit preview again. Okay, we're going to connect. I'm going to check our tag assistant, make sure it's lit up. There's our video start. It shouldn't show. We're going to come down to, how about this video? It's a YouTube video. We're going to look at this. There it is, nothing fired. And now we're going to click on start. And by enabling that JavaScript, this time we should see it. We come over here and there it is, YouTube video. We click on that and our tag fired. If we open up our tag, it says the event name is video start. And here are all our parameters. The current time was 0. Duration is 196 seconds. And there's no percent. And it's got a 3-minute timer. Okay, that's the value of it. Video title. Okay, so let's close out of here because now we want to go and do the other ones, right? So let's go back to enhanced. And if we come down here, now we have progress incomplete, and we still have these. We could go through all this again, or what we can do is just close out of here, come over to Tag Manager, and click on this video start. And we are going to click on these 3 dots up here, and we are going to make a copy. Now, nothing really happens up here except you see the copy of the GA4 video start. We're going to take that out. Okay, and we are going to call this video progress. Okay, and we'll make sure that's what it is. It's video progress, just like that. And since we copied it, we already have these in here, so we don't need to do anything there. We do need to change the name to video progress. And we will need to change the trigger. So what we'll do here is we will open this up. We'll add another one. Okay, we'll come down to YouTube. We'll click on it, and this time we'll click off the start. We'll click off the complete. We'll put the progress, and then we'll put the percentages. We'll put 10, 25, 50, 75, and 90. Okay, so these are the percent. We're going to click on our JavaScript because we know we need that. Okay, and we will call this one YouTube video progress. Or we could just call it progress if we wanted to. Okay, and we'll save it. Now we got 2 here. What we have to do is we have to get rid of this one. And now we're going to save it. Okay, and we also have the complete. So let's do the complete 2 right now. Okay, we'll take this video start again. We'll hit copy. Okay, we'll get rid of the copy part. And we will just call this video complete. And we'll come down here. We'll open this one up. We'll call this video complete. And we're going to leave the parameters the same. We'll give it a new trigger. The YouTube. This time we're going to undo the complete, and we're going to do the start. And we'll just call this YouTube complete. Okay, and we'll save that. So now, if everything works, well, we're going to stay here. Okay, we need to save this. Okay, if everything works, we should have a start, we should have a progress, and we should have a complete. So let's hit the preview. Okay, we'll connect it. We'll come down to how about this video, and we'll connect Tag Assistant. There it is, nothing's fired. And right now we are going to hit the start of the video, and we should see the YouTube video, and it should be start. And it's got complete. And why? Because I don't think we didn't change something. Okay. Why did the video complete fire? Let's take a look at that, because that shouldn't have happened. Okay, so let's go back. Let's get out of here. Come to our tag manager, look at our video complete. And They're complete. They're complete. Okay. If I have this right, video complete. Let's make sure. Okay. All that is good. Let's check our variables. Okay, everything is there. We should have everything we need. Oh, okay. Here we are. We never got rid of our trigger, right? So we never got rid of our start trigger. So we got it. We got to get rid of that one, right? So let's click on that and let's get rid of the start. And that's why it fired. There's always a reason, and it's always human error. So now we're going to go back. We're going to hit the preview, connect it again. The one thing I learned, when something's not right, normally it's something that we did wrong. It's never Google Tag Manager that's the problem. It's always a human error. So we're going to come back to how about this video, connect the tag assistant, nothing there. Let's hit the start, come back. We're expecting the YouTube video. We're only expecting the start to fire, and it did. Okay, we'll come back to this video. We'll speed it up to twice the speed. Okay, so that should give us some things over here. We should see another one. This one fired. This should be 10%. Okay, it's the progress. If we look, the video percent, the parameter value is 10. And this one would be 25. Okay. And it is. And now we'll just let it get to the end over here. Let's bring it a little closer. Okay. So it's going to end. And when it ends, we should come over here. We should see this YouTube video right here. And we should, well, we don't see complete. I guess we didn't let it go far enough. Let's go back there. Oh, it's got to go to 316. And it was making a lot of noise. So let's just move it up. It's got quite the alarm on it. So now if we come here, we should see this one. And this is video complete. Okay. So as you can see, they're all working. That is the way you set up YouTube videos. Now, when it comes to Vimeo and Wisteria, you have to custom do it. So what you need is to have a listener. If any of you have Vimeo, Wisteria, or anything like that, and you want to measure them and you're not sure how to do it, just reach out to us and we will show you how to do it. Okay, let's jump back over to our slides. This is Educational Wednesday free content. We try to put out content every Wednesday to help you with your measurement marketing. If you want to subscribe, you can go to mhe.tips/subscribe, or you could also go to Marketing for Higher Education/subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for a topic that you want us to cover, you can reach out to us and we'd be more than glad to do that. And if you have any questions about your measurement that you're not sure of and you're just looking to get some guidance or an answer, you can reach out to us too. One of the questions we always get is, what services we offer. We have, do-it-yourself courses. We have one-on-one training where we work with marketing teams one-on-one to build their measurement. And we also have a done-for-you service if, that's something that interests you. But we also give, great free content every Wednesday that is going to help you. So even if none of those things fit what you're looking for right now, definitely grab the free content because it will definitely help you become a better measurement marketer. Again, if you have any suggestions or if you have any questions that you need answered, you can reach me at ron@marketingforhighereducation.com, and either myself or one of the team members will get back to you and answer your question. That's going to wrap up this Educational Wednesday. We will see you next Wednesday. Have a good day, everyone.